Hello, I'm Nova Jiongco of Crimson Salon and Spa, your outgoing chamber president. And it is my honor to install our officers and introduce our directors for 2021. This is the team leading our organization through unprecedented times, and they need our support. Your executive committee this next year consists of President Mike Ehlers of MK Cellular, Vice President John Payne of NASCO, President-elect Chris Scheer of 2020 Evolve, Treasurer Tammy Garlock of Business Tax and Systems, and Executive Director and Secretary Carrie Chisholm. Mike, John, Chris, Tammy, and Carrie. This board has duly elected you to fill the offices named this coming year. We would like to remind you that the responsibilities of your office will require commitment of time, energy, and involvement over and above your obligation as members and directors of the organization. We now ask you to publicly affirm your understanding of your responsibilities and your willingness to fulfill them throughout 2021 by saying, I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I now declare you duly installed in your chamber offices. Congratulations and thank you for your service. I'd also like to introduce the new directors who will be joining our board this year. Mike Wallace is the President and CEO of Ford Healthcare, and John Coots is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for MSI General Corporation. Both have been elected to a 3-year term by members of the Fort Atkinson Chamber of Commerce to serve as representatives of the Board of Directors for 2021. Mike and John, we appreciate your willingness to accept this responsibility and ask that you now confirm that trust placed in you by publicly declaring your commitment of time, thought, and talent to promoting the objectives and goals of this organization. Having been duly oriented to your responsibilities, please respond by saying, I will.
I will.
Thank you. We hope you find your time on our board to be satisfying, challenging, and enjoyable. Our 2021 board also includes Mike Hamby of Green Bay Packaging, Ryan Klopsick of the Fireside Dinner Theater, Chris Martin of Premier Bank, and Aaron Patterson from Patty Coughlin's Pub, and myself, Nova Jiongco, serving as your past president. I wish to personally thank all of these people for their service to our chamber and encourage you to do the same.